Welcome back. This is going to be the last bit of initial sewing that I have on the Dodger before I take it to the boat to mark for the windshield opening window and the grab rail holes. So those have to be done on the boat. But this will be the last bit of sewing. What I need to do here is actually remove the extra sunbrella that's protecting the windshield. So the way we do that is I need to cut this out. So basically the way I do that is I look for the initial stitch that I sewed on the other side, and I need to mark in 1.5 inches, and then I can cut that out. I mark that all around, cut that out, and then I can take that and fold it in and then sew the edge, and that'll match up with the binding on the inside of the windshield. So let's do that. So what I do is I take a piece of tape and I mark where I want the 1.5 inches on the ruler. So that'll be about 1.5 inches, and then I can easily locate it. So I'm just going to line that mark on the ruler up and just take my marking pencil and just go along. As you can see, I have the line drawn all the way around. So now I will cut this out, taking care not to cut or scratch the glass. That's always paramount. So, and from the earlier step, we cut a hole in the sunbrella to make this a little easier. So I'll hold the sunbrella away from the glass while I cut. And since this edge is going to be sewn under, I don't have to worry about a raw edge. Okay, we got the glass cut out. So now I have this 1.5 inches to fold under. You can see how this will make a nice finish edge. And I'll do that all around, and then I will sew it, and that'll be the final sewing of this initial stage, other than doing the roll-up window, which I'll do later. So let's get started doing this.